If your crypto isn't stored securely, it's not truly yours. Let me show you the wallet that takes offline security to a whole new level. Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing Ellipal. Ellipal is a fully air-gapped hardware wallet, which means it never connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. You sign transactions by scanning QR codes, keeping your private keys 100% offline. It has over 1 million users worldwide and is designed for people who want cold storage security without the hassle of complicated setups. The device uses a secure element chip and a self-destruct mechanism that wipes all data if tampered with. It supports hundreds of coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major altcoins. The mobile app pairs effortlessly via QR codes. No cables, no risk of malware. Now, most wallet hacks happen through online connections. Ellipal eliminates that attack surface entirely. It's ideal for long-term holders and traders who want peace of mind. And you can download their app on both Android and iPhone. You can manage DeFi and NFTs directly through the app while keeping your funds truly cold. It's known for combining robust protection with a user-friendly design, and many traders use it as their preferred cold storage wallet for multi-chain portfolios. The device features a touchscreen and a metal body, making it both durable and portable. It supports staking, DeFi, and NFT management, all from a single app, and backups are stored with encrypted recovery phrases, adding an extra layer of protection. You can click the link in the description below and get started today. You can find all their products on the website linked in the description and choose the one that suits you best. It's incredibly easy to switch. You can swap without any limitations, and you can be your own bank and manage multiple wallets. You have asset management, swapping, you can buy and sell crypto, and stake, all through Ellipal. If you take crypto security seriously, it's time to upgrade to an air-gapped wallet. Check out Ellipal via the link below and see just how easy true cold storage can be. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as well. And leave any questions you may have in the comments, and we'll answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.